what if you want to tell an LLM to do something? Well, again, they don't do that. They just give you words back, or maybe pictures if they're multimodal, maybe sound, but they don't go take any action in the world. They're not going to go order you, DoorDash you a coffee. They just don't have that capability. So we could fix this on our own, right? I could just write an agent, and Neil just said it. I'm sure it's been said other more this morning. Agents are microservices. They really are the new microservices. So I could just write one, and this is a microservice that takes unstructured text input. I can chat with my microservice. I can just ask it to do things for me. And look, I'm a programmer. I can go integrate with legacy data. I can go read a database. I can consume from Kafka topics. I can just build all those interfaces. It's not that hard. If it was, I'd ask AI to help me, right? That's stuff I can do. And so I can take that prompt and maybe like I know kind of what's going on with this microservice. This is the microservice for scheduling coffee dates. So I'll go look up some schedule information in, that's in my maybe in a Kafka topic or something, events that are being scheduled in my calendar. And I'll just put that into the prompt because I know what I'm doing here. And I'll do some, string concatenation and just put a big prompt together that's got all that context that I know the LLM is going to need. And it's going to give me an answer back. And I'll ask it. I'll say, hey, you know what? In your response, I need you to structure this as JSON so it'll be easier for me to parse. And I want you to tell me when's the next available 45-minute slot and the next nearby place in town where I could get coffee with Neil. I could just kind of hard code all that in there. And then I'll go interface with the calendar API and maybe there's a API for making reservations at a fancy coffee joint that I'm going to meet with Neil at or something like that. And that's all fine, right? Look, you can program your way to paper bag. You can do that. But what have you done? Okay, so you've had to hand code all those tool integrations, all those resource integrations, and all that code's locked up in my microservice. Now, if I've factored it responsibly and the rest of the team has visibility into it, maybe there's a package they can import or something and they can get access to the code. But just things are not particularly discoverable here, right? I've kind of just hard coded a bunch of stuff. I wrote an AI powered microservice and I should feel great about that. I should definitely post about that on LinkedIn. But we could do better. And MCP is the thing that helps us.